Question number 4 of exercise 2.4. One of the two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digit of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original, you will get 88. What is the original number? Let's read the question once again and analyze. One of the two-digit number, किसका? दोनों में से एक नंबर. कौन से नंबर? ऑफ द टू डिजिट नंबर, ओके, इज 3 टाइम्स द अदर नंबर. 3 टाइम्स है, 3 गुना, ओके. इफ यू इंटरचेंज द डिजिट, मीन्स इंटरचेंज करेंगे डिजिट ऑफ दिस टू नंबर्स and add the resulting number with the original number, you will get 88. But first we don't know what is unit place digit and what is tens place digit. So first we will start with let unit place digit of that number, two digit number, be x. Therefore tens place digit is 3 times, that is 3x as per the question. Okay, one of the number of the two digit number is 3 times, तो एक x है तो दूसरा नंबर 3x, इससे 3 गुना. Now tens place and unit place, if we keep, we will get some number, that is x multiplied by unit place is multiplied by 1 and tens place is multiplied by this. So we are going to get, क्या मिलने वाला है? 10 3s are 30x plus 1x. So it will be 31x. This is what? Original number. Now if we reverse this order, interchange, order, okay. So tens place and unit place multiplied by 10, but we have to interchange. So this will become x and this will become 3x. So we are going to get that number is 10x plus 3x. So that will be how much? 13x. 10 plus 3, 13x. This is new number, okay. Now if we interchange the two digit number and add the resulting number with the original number, so these two if we add, we will get 88. We want to add these two and the result what we are getting, that is 88. So equation is formed over here, okay. That is sum of new number and original number is 88. That is new number is 13x plus original number is 31x is equal to 88 as the equation says, as per the condition. So we will get the value, if we add this to 13 plus 31, we will get 44x is equal to 88. X is equal to 88 divided by 44. Therefore we will get the value of x is equal to 2. Clear? Therefore from this we can get the original number, okay. Therefore, so original number is 31x, that is 31 multiplied by x, that is 2. So it will be 62 as the answer. Hope so this much clear to you, and we proceed for the next sum, that is sum number 5. Question number 5. Subhu's mother's present age is 6 times Subhu's present age. So we don't know what is Subhu's present age. So let Subhu's present age be x. Therefore, his mother's present age is 6 times, okay, of Subhu's present age. So Subhu's present age is x and 6 times, so 6 times means 6x. This is mother's age and this is Subhu's age, present age. Now, as per the condition, Subhu's age 5 years from now. 5 years from now. Okay, मतलब अभी से 5 साल बाद, after 5 years. 5 years from now means after 5 years. Okay, Subhu's age will be plus 5 and mother's age also will be plus 5. Clear? So whatever Subhu's present age plus 5, Subhu's age after 5 years, 5 years will be present age plus 5 more. Clear? And mother's age after 5 years, it will be whatever it present plus 5 years. Okay, this is what there. Now, as per the condition, Subhu's age 5 years from now, मतलब से सुबु की एज 5 साल बाद, is 1/3 of his mother's present age. तो 1/3 of mother's present age वो निकालना पड़ेगा. Subhu's age after 5 years. So Subhu's age after 5 years is equal to 1/3 of mother's present age. So mother's present age is how much? Present age is 6x. So 1/3 of 6x. And Subhu's present age after 5 will be x plus 5. So this is our equation. Subhu's age after 5 years, this much, is equal to 1/3 of mother's present age. Okay, so mother's 1/3 present age ka. Now we just try to solve this one. So x plus 5 is equal to, we just 3 1s are 3 2s, so it will be 2x. Clear? How much? It will be 2x. Now we just try to solve it. So 5 and this will go to the other side, so it will be plus 2x, so plus minus x. So 5 is equal to x, or we can say x is equal to 5. The variable value we have got. Now keeping this value in the present age, therefore Subhu's present age be x is equal to 5 years, and mother's present age 6x means 6 into 5, that is 30 years. Hope so we have got the idea and clarified. We move to the next sum.